morning, guys. Hello guys, welcome back here. As you see in the title, full day of eating keto today. And if you are new here, I do videos just like this one, so hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as you see in the morning, I had a bulletproof coffee. That was at 7:30 this morning. I always have this. It's for over a year now, and now it's at 2 o'clock on the afternoon here, and we are going to make lunch. Usually I have lunch at 5, or that's the first time I eat, but today I'm just so hungry, I can't control it anymore, and we're gonna make food. I find some sugar-free salsas from this brand, Santa Maria, and you see no sugar added, and there is really no sugar in it. I have a medium one and a hot one, and I have two different spice mix for taco and another one, and both has no sugar in them, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm gonna try this coconut and pepper tortilla. One slice of this how it looks, it's quite small, has 13 grams of carbs, so that's a little high, but I will fit in one of these and some cheese tortillas. I'm going to make the meat now, and for that you need some mincemeat, the spice, butter, pretty much that's all. This is half a kilogram of mixed meat. Here is the sugar-free spice mix, and I will use about this much butter. This is like 1.5 tablespoons. And I also use my Tefal Jamie Oliver frying pan. This is the best frying pan I actually ever had. It's really good, non-stick and very resistant. So it's in the description box below if you are interested. So we will melt some butter, put in the meat and the spices. Okay guys, this is fully ready, and we will set this aside and we will slice up some veggies and make some guacamoles to our taco. We are going to use this super nice marble cutting board. I got it for my birthday in January and it's super nice, and I will try to link one similar for you in the description box below. And now we're going to make the guacamole, and after that the nachos. And I hope you saw that that was a very effective way to peel off the avocados, and I will show you again. And to make your nachos, now you just make a little pocket of cheese. I don't know how you would say this. And And then you put this into the oven for 200 degrees, what is 400 Fahrenheit, for a few minutes. So this looks very, very yummy and good, and we just wait until they cool down a little bit and harden. So you guys, this is my first meal, and I'm taking some guacamole we made. I'm taking some salads, some paprika, tomatoes, and of course onion. I love onions. Little jalapenos. And then I measured out my sauces, creme fraiche and the 2 different type of sauces. And it's quite a lot because I just love sauces very, very much. And of course, if you want extra cheese, you can have extra cheese. And pretty much this is how my plate looks like on my first meal. If you want to cut back carbs, you can avoid the coconut tortilla. One of them has 13 grams of carbs, but I am mainly maintaining, so it's totally fine. And yeah, that's my food today. And I'm going to have a NYX Kex bar. I got it from my mom, no added sugar. This is a Swedish brand and I quite like it, quite keto friendly. So that's gonna be my last meal of the day, I think. And now it's 6 o'clock. That was a day of eating keto, guys. I had a meal at 3 and then I had another coffee I didn't record for you at 4, and then I had this NYX Kex bar at 6. And all the macros are here on the screen. I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna see more of this, then comment below and let me know what you eat in the comments below. And see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.